Hi everyone. Welcome to WWWONCLOUD.com. Today I'm gonna show you how to log into your Plesk control panel, so let's dive in. Our front page on the top left, where it show login, we'll click there. We can input the email address that we use during sign up. Input the password and input the CAPTCHA. Click login. We call this page the client area. The system will display all of your services in client area. We can change the password. Check the invoice, knowledge base, announcement, open tickets and more. Okay, let's go to the panel. Click a service. Also check if your service is still active. Click your hosting plan. Scroll down, click on Login to Plesk Control Panel. Okay, it is done. Now we are in the Plesk Control Panel. If you want to skip the front page, you can go directly to this link. We can reset the password by clicking on Forgot Your Password. Input your registered email. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below and feel free to subscribe if you want to see more helpful video content. Thanks.